find one common factor for the whole expression. About my next concept, it's about what? It's about factorizing by grouping. Okay? So let's explain it together and get out the examples. Here, sometimes you won't find one common factor for the whole expression. For example, if we have AB plus 3B plus 2A plus 6. Oops, there are six terms. And you have a lot of terms here, and they are not common. All of them is not the same common. So I can't take out the common factors from all of them, right? And I can't let them go like that. So can we take one factor from all four terms? No, I can't. So does that mean we can't factorize it? Of course not. Instead of looking at the whole expression, we will split it into two groups. We will split it into two groups. Are you ready? Then we will factorize each group separately and we will finish our question. Okay? So how can I do that? First, if you have 3 or 4 like that and you have to factorize, let's group the first two terms together. Are they in order? Maybe yes, maybe not. So I have to look. If I take AB and 3B, can I take common factor from them? Yeah, I can take B. If I split them alone, I can take B. And what about here? 2A and 6. Can I take any common factors here? Yeah, I can take. What is a common factor? It will be 2. Okay? But I have to take out. If I take out 2, it will be A plus 3. And here, if I take out B, it will be A plus 3. Yeah, I finished. It's in your head. So you have to make it to get what? To ask yourself, is this my good splitting? Or I can split AB with 2A. Okay? So you have to choose the two terms that can get out the bracket, which you can make the factorization after that. So if you take AB plus 3B together, and you take 2A plus 6 together, don't forget to put the sign. Now you will start to deal with that as it was one question. So let's take B out. If I take B out, I will get, here is A plus 3. Anyone has any problem in taking common factor? Just tell me to make it in details. And if you want to take common factor from here, you will take 2. So you're gonna make A plus 3. Yeah, I finished my goal. What's my goal? To reach A plus 3 and A plus 3. Why? To take it as a common factor after that. I will take A plus 3 from this term. Okay, it seems like one term. Why it's like one term? It has a long of things. No, if you have to say some kind of variable multiplied by variable, another variable, or another number, it's one term. Okay, concentrate here. If you have 3, A, B, C, D, H, all of that is term? Yeah, it's one term. Why it's one term? Because all of them has relation of multiplying. There is not adding or subtracting, okay? But if you have 3A minus 2C plus 9G, what does it mean? It means we have 3 terms. 3 terms means like houses. They are splitting between them plus or minus. So if you take plus or minus, this is one term and I finished. So here, I take A plus 3 and I will take common factor here. It was B multiplied by A plus 3. So if you take A plus 3, you will get out B. And here, if you take A plus 3, you will take out 2. Now you finished? Yeah, I factorized it fully. There is no other factorizing. Get it? So let's get out the golden rule. How can I get out the golden rule here? Who can get it with me? In grouping, you can get out the golden rule if you split the expression into two groups, then take out highest common factor from each group. You will deal with each group as it was one question. And then you have to get what? If the practice same, you will take pract common. That's all. Did you get it? Okay. What about the common mistake? From my experience, my students make a very, very big mistake here. What? Choosing, huh, the wrong groups. If you choose the wrong group, so you will not answer the question correctly. Sometimes you need to rearrange the terms before grouping. Okay, how can I get it? How can I know what is the suitable groups? As we met here, we in our head get out. If you get out B, you will start to see A plus 3. And if you get out here 2, you will get A plus 3. So you will start to find common bracket. So now you are going to get the right groups. Okay? The next mistake, the brackets must be identical. What's the meaning of identical? If you have A plus 3 here and A plus 3 here, yes, correct. If you get out here another bracket, so you are not going to get it correctly, and you have to get it what? You have to work again to split the groups correctly. Choose the right groups. Anyone has any question here? Let's start to solve another one. Another example? Are you ready? If you have A, C plus 2A plus 5C plus 10. Who ready to solve it with me? Anyone? If I get out AC, split it into AC plus 2A. This is the first group. And the other group, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 5C plus 10. Here, get out A, you will reach C plus 2. If you get out 5, you will reach C plus 2. Oops, I found brackets like it was. So here, C plus 2 as a common, you will get out here. It's going to be A plus 5. If you have any question, if you have any problem and you don't want to say it here in common, you can write it in chat. It's okay. It's okay for me. Because we are going to get the next concept. So if you have any question,